Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Range Rover D300 SE. With an eye-catching Belgravia Green exterior complementing the nickel Atlas exterior pack. This Range Rover also comes fitted with pixel LED headlights as well as 22-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. I'm now just opening up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. This Range Rover also benefits from low mileage as well as a full service history. Stepping inside the Range Rover now, we're just going to take a look at the electric window controls, driver seat memory function, Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with 20-way electric heated front seats as well as the sliding panoramic sunroof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the interactive driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, I've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive 13.1-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the rear camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with rear climate control as well as ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.